Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E-Class, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the transmission fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, there will be multiple fuses in different fuse boxes, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Well, it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the transmission fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class here. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but that's the same generation, it should work for both. For the transmission guys, you will have 6 fuses that you need to check in 3 different fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we need is under the hood. Open the hood. On the driver's side here, you're going to have a cover. Remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here for the transmission, in this fuse box we need to check 3 more fuses, then we have 3 more in a different fuse box. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, transmission fluid, parts at a really good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping, so check it out guys. Now, the transmission fuses. Next to every fuse you have a number printed in, maybe on the left or the right side. That way you will know which fuse you're looking at. First we need to check fuse number 12. Right here. Then you will need to check guys fuse number 16, that one right there. And after that you have one more, and it's known as fuse number 33. It's this 10M fuse right there. Now next you need to open the hood, where the positive jump start terminal is located here. That's actually hidden pre-fuse box. removed, it looks like this one. That's another angle, the same one. But here, inside, you have multiple fuses. And here we need to check another fuse, and we're talking about pin 3. We're talking about that fuse right here. That's a transmission fuse. After that, you need to open the trunk. If you open the trunk, you have another cover here. Open it. That's the main trunk fuse box. Here we need to check 2 more fuses, guys. One of them, okay, is fuse number 88. We're talking about this fuse here. The numbers will be printed next to them. And the next one that you need to check will be fuse number 73. This one right here, next to it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.